should invest in. All right, let's take the next question. Thanks so much, Govind, for calling, and hope this helped. Laxmi Organics is the name of the counter we're taking, and I'm coming to you on this one, Kushal. 429 is a buy price. Ranjan wants to know, should he sell now or should he average his price? What's the view?
Well, I have a neutral view on the stock simply because the stock has corrected a bit and it's likely to show some reversal signs. The stock is nearing the 200 DMA and I feel the stock can do well. If 200 DMA is sustained about, we have some closing about 261. So I would recommend to hold your positions, wait for the levels for the 271s to be taken out. And I feel further momentum can be expected about 284. So I would ask, him to hold his position and put a trailing stop loss near 240. Let's say if we have a dip below 240, he should book some losses.
All right, I do want to pull up Enviro Infra because this is a stellar listing. It's turning out to be a lot. Of course, it's off the high point of the day. It's up about 43% as we speak right now. Of course, it is the new kid on the block. It listed on Dalal Street today and very strong listing. Subscribed 61 times, so there was quite a lot of retail interest. We caught up with the management and started by asking them if the 100% growth that they saw in revenue, EBITDA and profit in FY24 is sustainable. Listen in.
The CAGR of the company was around 80% and the EBITDA margins were around 130% and and CAGR on the PAT, it was around 132%. If we look at the performance of the company in the past, we are quite confident we will be able to maintain the same growth. Looking forward, the same number we will not be able to achieve, but the growth will be in the range of 30 to 35%.
Okay, so 30 to 35% is the growth that you'll plan to achieve for the next 1 to 2 years, as you said. And the margins, do we expect a further upside from these 23%, 24% levels, or will they also sustain in a similar range? Mr. Manish, and I'll come to you on this.
No, they will be sustained in the similar range. We are quite confident whatever we have done in the past, we will be able to maintain the same growth pattern.
Okay, now coming to the order book of the company, so 23 to 24% of margins along with 32 to 40% growth. Now coming to the orders of the company, you've had an order book of about 1,906 crore. This is across 22 projects that we are looking at. Want to understand what is the execution period generally like, and in the next half, how much do you plan to execute from this order book that you currently hold?
The order book of the company as on 30th of June 2024 was 1906 crores. One more project, which is a HAM project, that got added to the order book. The size of that project is 267 crore. The total execution cycle of the project is in the range of 18 to 24 months. So this entire order book, that should get replicated into revenues within 2 years cycle. Going by the past trend, the way the company has been executing the project on the back of the execution capabilities, so the timeline, within those 2-year timelines, we are quite hopeful that the growth momentum the company was doing in the past, we will maintain that growth momentum, and same is being replicated in the current financial year as well. For first quarter, the results are already there, and we are quite hopeful we will continue to maintain that growth trajectory going forward.
Right, so that was the management of Enviro, and just for the viewers' context, we'll play the full interview during the day, and otherwise also this will be available on our YouTube channels as well. We'll take the next query. The next query is from Vandana.